In this session, let us learn about HTML editors. HTML editors. A simple text editor is all you need to learn HTML. Learn HTML using Notepad or Textedit. Web pages can be created and modified by using professional HTML editors. However, for learning HTML, we recommend a simple text editor like Notepad PC, Notepad++, Visual Studio Code or Textedit Mac. You can download free software Notepad++. I am using Notepad++ and Visual Studio Code for all the examples explained in these HTML video tutorials. For new beginners, better use simple text editor is a good way to learn HTML. Follow the steps below to create your first web page with Notepad or Notepad++ or Textedit. Step 1. Open Notepad PC, Windows 8 or later. Open the start screen, the Windows symbol at the bottom left on your screen. Type Notepad or Notepad++. Step 1. Open Textedit Mac. Open Finder Applications Textedit. Also change some preferences to get the application to save files correctly. In Preferences format, choose plain text. Under Open and Save, check the box that says Display HTML files as HTML code, INS flowered or formatted text. Then open a new document to place the code. Step 2. Write some HTML. Write or copy the following HTML code into Notepad. See the example code and result. Doc type HTML, HTML body h1p body HTML. See the result returns this. Step 3. Save the HTML page. Save the file on your computer. Select File, Save as in the Notepad menu. Name the file index.html or index.html and set the encoding to UTF-8, which is the preferred encoding for HTML files. See here, file name, save as type. Tip: you can use either HTML or HTML as file extension. There is no difference, it is up to you. Step 4. View the HTML page in your browser. Open the saved HTML file in your favorite browser. Double click on the file or right click and choose Open with. The result will look much like this. See here, my first heading, my first paragraph. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 2 editors. In next video, let us learn about another topic, HTML basics. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.